Bush Whispers sanitization process, starting off with the exterior of the vehicle, moving to the interior front passenger side, sanitizing the door panel, the floor, seat, headrest, and the dashboard. Then moving on to the second passenger door, sanitizing the outer panel, the floor, seats, headrests, the safety belt, and all other touchable surfaces on the passenger side. Moving to the right side of the vehicle, we sanitize the exterior and interior of the passenger door, sanitizing the floor, seats, headrest, safety belts, and all other touchable surfaces. The driver's side, we sanitize the exterior and interior door panel, moving to the floor, seat, headrest, steering wheel, levers, radio, and the dashboard. We end off the process by sanitizing the exterior and interior of the luggage compartment. We use an 80% alcohol-based aerosol cab sanitizer. MSDs are available in all of our vehicles. We sanitize prior, during and after each safari, day tour and transfer.